The Huawei Mate 80 Pro is an upcoming flagship smartphone anticipated to launch in September 2025, potentially coinciding with the release of Apple's iPhone 17 series. This device is expected to feature a 6.82-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1212 by 2616 pixels and a 144 Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Recent reports suggest that, unlike its predecessors, the Mate 80 Pro may adopt a flat-screen design instead of the traditional quad-curved display. Under the hood, it's likely to be powered by the Kirin 9000S chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The camera setup is rumored to include a triple 50MP system, featuring wide-angle, telephoto, and ultra-wide lenses, catering to versatile photography needs. Additionally, the Mate 80 Pro is expected to house a 5000 mAh battery with support for 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, facilitating quick power-ups and prolonged usage. The device will likely run on HarmonyOS 5.0, offering an enhanced and seamless user experience. Please note that these specifications are based on preliminary reports and rumors. Official details will be confirmed upon Huawei's formal announcement.